I can't really read this with my eyes. Oh, Hampton Bay. Okay, that's what that is. This year we're not renting a house, we're renting a condo in Ocean City. So if you look on the pictures for this place, on Vrbo, this one is here, but the bedrooms, the 3 bedrooms, there was a builder in there, 4-light kit, builder in there, 4-light kit, builder in there, 4-light kit. There's 2 Hampton Bay Huggers in there. And honestly, they just downgraded. They went from crap to crappier. This thing is very noisy. No one has dusted these shades in a while. Not a very good air mover. Well, when you stand out, it is, but like right under it, it's really not.